Welcome to Biafra Battle Cry TV, where Biafra is not just only our identity, it is our faith. Here, we stand firm in our devotion to the cause and to our leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, champion leader of the Indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB. We bring you bold, the political corruption in turmoil, happening in the total damnation of zoological republic. If foundation be destroyed, what shall the righteous citizens do? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay connected to the heartbeat of the resistance. Thanks for watching, and may Biafra rise.
Okay, so the Nigerian police spent 22 million naira on 85 cartons of cracker biscuit for personnel on operations. This was released by Sahara reporters.
Good.
Apparently, based on the government spend, it's the public payment portal on government spend, that's GOVSPEND. They actually revealed that the Nigerian police force spent 22.282 million naira on 85 cartons of cream crackers biscuits for its personnel on certain operations. In the
85.
first
Once,
instance,
is it 10 years or once?
Hold on, 85.
85
I
cartons
was thinking
of cream
85,000.
crackers. 85 cartons of cream crackers biscuits
Which one is 1
for its
million?
personnel on certain operations. In the first instance, the police spent 7.073 million naira to purchase 25 cartons of cream crackers biscuits. That was the first instance, the first tranche. According to the details on the portal, the payment was made on October 26, 2023 to Danloki Systems Limited. The description read, being payment for the supply of 25 cartons of cream crackers biscuits, dry ration for logistics requirements, consumables for personnel deployed to carry out discrete security ops and info gathering activities, with 7.073 million naira spent on 25 cartons of cream crackers biscuits. Each carton would have cost 282,928.
Wow, that's a very,
so if
very
you look at the breakdown of it, for example, the first tranche, which is about payment of supply of 30 cartons of cream cracker biscuit as consumables and logistics. Another one being payment of supply of 25 cartons of cream cracker. That one is about 7 million naira. Then another 7 million for the same 30 cartons. And the report is quite extensive. So on April 21, 2023, the Police Formations and Command paid 6.558 million naira to Waste Fulfillment Limited for the supply of 12 packets of toilet rolls. That's color rolls, 48 rolls each per packet. Another payment of 6.8 million naira was made on July 27, 2023 to the same Waste Fulfillment Limited for the supply of 12 packets of toilet rolls. Alright, so the survey revealed that the open market price of color rolls, toilet rolls were far lower than what the police paid, and checks on the popular trading platform actually show that rose color tissue paper roll, that is one bag of 48 pieces, cost 55,000 naira. On Konga, the same product sells for 50,000 naira, and at this rate, 24 packs of color rose toilet rolls, each containing 48 pieces, should not cost or more than 1.3 million naira. All of this is on GovSpend. They gave a breakdown. So, Barrister, what is this?
No, that is how police money. You see pensioners cry, you can see.
The recent protests that show where it was.
I said, look at where their police money is going. And the same police are the ones harassing citizens and other. Instead of asking their oga, where is our money? Look at it. Enter, look at the problem. This cracker biscuit, what result did he produce? At least you say it's for
special operations.
Now, after eating the cracker biscuit, what result did they bring?
They become superpower.
The result of that operation, where is it? Where is it?
They cracked the cases.
Yes. Now, where is the result? If the produce result, we don't have insecurity. They just wrote it with all this big grammar to confuse the gullible.
I don't know.
Nothing came out of it. Nothing. Even the cracker biscuit, are you sure that everybody, they just wrote it that they use it to buy? Go and ask those who went for the whether they ate the crackers. It must be designer cracker biscuit. You can see what you can see. Esther, you remember when we discussed here the issue of removing the details of expenses from the website of government. You know, in government there's a website for expenses. Even if you buy biro for 10 naira, you put it there for auditor's sake, so that when the auditor come, they will use it to cross-check all the expenses. They have removed it completely, so that you and I will not know how they are spending this money. Is that not true? This is Tinubu that told you that corruption is gone in Nigeria. Oh. Esther, have you seen it? Because whenever I'm criticizing him, I have my facts. So let nobody come and tell me you don't like Tinubu. You have never done anything. He has never done anything good. Nothing good, Esther, nothing good has ever come from him. And I challenge anybody to tell me otherwise. This is somebody who came to bring heaven on earth. Now look at, we are going through hell under his watch. Through hell. No single thing that you can say, yeah, this area, Tinubu has done so well, oh, he has stopped corruption, oh, he has stopped insecurity, oh, farmers are now back to farm, oh, we have food, oh. So, in what way are you going to praise this president, Esther? Tell me. Anybody that praising Tinubu, please give me the facts for praising him. What is that thing he has done that impacted on your life and in the life of ordinary Nigerians? These are facts we are talking about, not ordinary propaganda or falsehood. Real things, real things. The money you are looking for, look at how they are wasting it up and down. This is just a tip of the iceberg. By the time you go into the executive, Esther, you will shed tears. I mean the executive proper. If you see what they are doing with our money, you in fact, you ask yourself whether you are dreaming. You will never believe it.
Biafrans and lovers of freedom, absolutely right to call this out. Thanks for watching Biafra Battle Cry TV. See you next time and stay tuned.